Wait, assist ko muna si Chris. Okay, your partner, this is, our game is your head, your shoulder, your head, your toes. Head, touch your head,
Nag-link.
your shoulder, your knees, your toes, your head. Touch your head, your knees, touch your knees, your toes, your shoulder, your head. Touch your head. Ayan, tira yung cup. Ayan, dinira na ang ating kid. Okay, ready. Dahil back ready na. Touch your head. Your shoulder. Dapat stand up talaga. Stand up. Stand properly. Ayan, very good. Okay, makinig ng mabuti. Shoulder. Your toes. Touch your head. Head pa. Head pa lang. Okay, back the cup. Touch your head. Touch your toes. Touch your nose! Nose ang sabi ko. Touch your nose. Okay. Your head. Your shoulder. Touch your toes. Bakit? Saan na yung mga line natin? Go back to your line. Touch your shoulder. Your toes. Your knees. Your head. Your shoulder. Touch the cup. Ayan. Very good. Sino ako ng cup? Ayan. Sarang ko lang cup. Go here. Get your prize. Prize. Go back to your seat. Ibigay kay ate ang cup. Kay ate Grace ang cup.